Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal in Germany. First, you need to set up your account, which is quite straightforward. You can link a German bank account or a credit card to get started. Remember to verify your identity. This step is crucial as it helps increase your transaction limits and ensures full access to all features. Make sure your registered address is also within Germany for seamless operation. This initial setup takes just a few minutes. Once your account is ready, sending and receiving money is incredibly simple. You can send funds to friends and family using just their email address or phone number, making it very convenient. When someone sends you money, it appears directly in your PayPal balance. From there, you can easily transfer these funds to your linked German bank account. Most transactions are processed almost instantly, offering a fast and efficient way to manage your money. PayPal is a fantastic tool for online shopping, allowing you to pay securely at millions of online stores across the globe. A major benefit is PayPal's buyer protection, which covers eligible purchases, giving you peace of mind. To keep your account extra safe, always enable two-factor authentication. It adds an important layer of security. Regularly checking your transaction history is also a smart habit to quickly spot any unauthorized activity and keep your finances secure. Regarding fees, sending money to friends and family within the Eurozone is generally free of charge, which is excellent for everyday use. However, for commercial transactions or when sending money internationally outside the Eurozone, small fees may apply. PayPal also provides currency conversion services for international payments. It is always a good practice to review the conversion rates and any associated fees before finalizing cross-currency transactions to understand the total cost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.